This entire video, the thumbnail, the title, the script that I'm reading right now, and the visuals that you see, even the upload to YouTube was all done through Claude Code. And I'm going to show you exactly how live right now. So I use Claude Code. It's command line AI that can read your files, write code, and run commands on your machine. And I've set mine up so that when I want to make a video, I just tell it something as simple as this. So this is Claude Code, and I wrote a simple prompt where I've asked it to help me recommend an idea based off my idea bank from ideas that we already have, but also compared to what's actually trending and what I can actually prove with a live demo and what reaches the widest audience, and present them to me with reasoning and wait for me to pick which idea I like best. Then what we do is it creates an SEO optimized title, and then it will generate a thumbnail for me using Python. And it will basically pull pictures that I have stored and replace and add text and other features, and add the Claude logo, things like that. And then basically it will create this whole entire script for the video. And after I approve it all, I'll go ahead and start recording. And then once I actually give it the recording, what it'll do is it will actually just download it. It will trim and polish the video, and then it'll upload it to YouTube, and it will be set to private so that I can just go in and make a final check and approve it. So it saves me 90% of the time of what it used to take to make a YouTube video. And all I need to do is just, pick the idea that fits best with me. And so basically I pasted this prompt, and it went out and it searched the web, and it found the 3 top recommendations based off of my idea bank and scored against what's actually trending right now. And so the topic that I chose for today is how I make YouTube videos with Claude Code without any editing software. And the reason why is because this video is the proof. Like the download, the trim, the thumbnail, the upload is all happening right here from my terminal. And so this is kind of like the behind the scenes of how I actually do this. And so what I did is I asked it to go ahead and create the thumbnail for me, and I used Python, and it basically created the thumbnail, which I'll pull it up and show you right now. So here's the thumbnail that AI was able to make for me, and it's not like this out of the box. Like you have to actually be able to describe what you want it to do. And so I've been able to make Claude understand our format better and better. Each and every iteration, it gets better. And from here, what I do is I just record this and I upload it to YouTube. Sorry, Claude actually edits it. And so after I approve the thumbnail, it creates my script, which is what I'm reading from right now. And after I'm done recording, again, I drop my Loom link into Claude Code, and it downloads the video and it trims everything and then polishes and uploads it to YouTube. And then it generates, the social post, my LinkedIn post, my YouTube post, like the description, so that everything is just copy paste and ready to go. And so this entire process takes me from idea to published video without any editing software, any designers, or any social media manager. It's just me and Claude Code. And so if you want the exact prompt that I use to run this entire workflow, I'll put that in the pinned comments. You can download it and paste it into your Claude Code, and you'll be able to create the same workflow for yourself. And if you also want help building systems like this for your business, I have a few accelerator calls that are open this week. I'll also leave the link for that down below. But again, I love making these videos. Please let me know what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.